हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू द नेक्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ ड्रूल्स। इस वीडियो में मैं ने एक न्यू ब्रांच बनाया है एडिंग टू ड्रूल्स। तो आने वाली वीडियोस में मैं ड्रूल्स के बारे में जो भी डालूंगा, आई विल बी एडिंग ऑल ऑफ इट टू दिस पर्टिकुलर ब्रांच ओनली. If you haven't seen the previous video of configuration of Drools project, you can go ahead with this branch and follow the instructions. उसके अलावा, if you just clone this repository, you can follow this branch itself. So I'll follow this. So I think this one is yeah. So I'll clone the repository, and after that I'll show you all the branches. Okay, branch dash A. Uh, yeah, CED, committed IR, get branch dash A. So I am on main branch right now, and I need to go to adding to tools. So I'll just type get checkout and the branch name. So now I'm on that. You can see here I'm on adding to rules. Okay. So if you do ls, you'll see these three things. So I'll open it in my nvim. I'll show you what all the changes I have done. So when I showed you the configurations while making our tools project, I gave an example of a person class. Okay, in this we'll have little change. So I'll show you the code. So in the previous one, we used this person.java where we checked if a person was a minor or an adult using comparing the age of the person using rules. In this one, I wanted to explain rule chaining. The rule chaining is nothing but when you take one object and through one fact, when a fact is changed, due to that change, if another rule is getting executed, that is called rule chaining. तो एक रूल से दूसरा रूल भी एग्जीक्यूट हो जाता है और it can become a chain also. It can be like a chain reaction. So that's what I'm trying to explain here. So here I have taken an incident, a class, a public class incident, and it has a type and severity. Okay, and then escalated is a boolean variable. Now when we'll make up this object of incident class, I'll show you main.java also. This is main.java. Till here, everything is same. Sky services, KS, sky services dot get all this. And then, yeah, this was the part from the first video, and you can just comment it out. And if, see, I'm making here kstation dot insert new incident. So I'm making one object, and in that object, I'm saying malware. So malware and severity is 9. If you go to incident just Java, it will say string type means malware. The incidence is malware. I'm taking example of incidents caused to my project is for incidence response, and severity of that incidence is 9. Okay, so I'm giving two parameters here. Now, when I fire all the rules, I'll show you the rules file also. Chain rule.get. Okay, so when I fire rules, so there is one rule which has to detect high severity incident. So it checks if the severity is greater than equal to 7. Okay, in that case, escalated is false and it will print high severity incident is detected. Okay, and then when it is detected, I will say $I dot get dot set escalated to true. Now I'm making a change in the fact. Okay, when I inserted the object, it had a severity of 9, and according to rules starting, the escalation was false. But later, in the then condition, I updated it. You can see here update $I. So when I updated it, after the update, it is checking here trigger escalation action. Incident escalated is equal to true. So if the escalation is true, I will say escalation action triggered on for incident. So using one fact, using one object, I'm firing two rules, and I'm not firing it like getting done automatically. This was the rules part. Also in the this kmodule.xml. Uh, okay, yeah, there's no change in this one. So we can just quit out of this. Here, here. Okay, so if you want to run this, we'll first of all make a package of this. Yeah. So Maven clean package will make a package for us. That will take some time. We'll build the kjar. It's done build success. And now you can make that cp.txt. Scan for projects, do some shit. It's done. Now, final part. So, see here. These are the same warnings I told you about in the first video. You can ignore these warnings as of now. So, this is your output. High severity incident detected. Escalation action triggered for incident. So, for the first rule, this was the output. And for the second rule, which got triggered because the first rule caused an updation. That's why this rule was executed and this output was generated. So this is an example of rule chaining, and this is something we can do. Like one object or one fact can be changed to trigger multiple rules. That's part of rules. Thanks for watching.